Do you feel like time is slipping away, especially after hitting 40? What if I told you that you can start an online side hustle even with your packed schedule? Stay tuned because today I'm breaking down exactly how you can make it happen with just a few hours a week. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's dive right in. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage your existing skills. Don't reinvent the wheel. I suggest that you use what you already know. Think about your current job or the hobbies. Are these skills that you can monetize online? For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could consider offering freelance services on platforms like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. I suggest that you start small by taking on projects that fit in with your current schedule. You don't need to quit your day job, just carve out an hour or two each evening to work on client projects. This way you can build a good portfolio and income without burning out. And now, as you gain some experience, you can gradually increase your rates and the complexity of the projects that you take on. This method allows you to scale your side hustle while managing your time very effectively. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to invest in passive income streams. Passive income is key if you're short on time. I recommend that you start by creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables that you can sell on autopilot. For example, if you have a knack for writing, you could create a guide on a topic that you're passionate about and you have good knowledge about and sell it on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. The beauty of digital products is that they require effort up front but can generate income over time with very little ongoing effort. You create once but the sales just keep coming, allowing you to earn money while focusing on your primary job or your other commitments. Now, don't forget to promote your products through social media such as Instagram and TikTok, and use email marketing or paid ads. The more visibility that your products get, the more passive income you'll generate. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to utilize affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money without creating any products. I recommend that you start by promoting products or services that you already use and that you like. I recommend that you sign up for affiliate programs through platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Share a Sale. I then suggest that you create content around these given products, such as blog posts, YouTube reviews, or even social media posts on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and you include your affiliate links. For example, if you're into fitness, you could review some workout gear and links to the products where your audience can actually buy them. The key is to be genuine and only promote items that provide real value and have good reviews online. As your audience trusts your recommendations, you'll see your affiliate commissions grow, providing you with a steady income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to start a YouTube channel or a podcast. If you enjoy speaking and teaching, starting a YouTube channel or a podcast can be a fantastic side hustle. I recommend that you choose a niche that you're passionate about and something that has a lot of demand in the marketplace, such as health and wellness, weight loss, or even wealth creation. Whether it's personal finance, cooking, or online business, consistency is key, so aim to post at least once a week. For example, you could start a podcast interviewing successful entrepreneurs and business owners who started their business after the age of 40, giving you both content and valuable networking opportunities. I then recommend that you repurpose these interviews into blog posts or social media snippets to expand your reach. You can also monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or promoting your own products and services. Over time, as your audience begins to grow, so will your potential income. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to start freelance consulting or online coaching. Your years of experience are highly valuable. I recommend that you offer consulting or coaching services in your area of knowledge or expertise. For example, if you spent decades in marketing, you could offer coaching sessions to small businesses looking to improve their online strategies. You can start by offering free sessions to build testimonials and then gradually move to paid sessions. I suggest that you use platforms like LinkedIn to find potential clients and showcase your expertise. The beauty of online consulting is that you can set your own hours, allowing you to fit sessions into your current schedule. Plus, as your reputation grows, so can your rates, turning this into a lucrative online side hustle. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to create and sell an online course. Teaching others what you currently know can be both fulfilling and highly profitable. I recommend that you use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell an online course. I suggest that you choose a topic that you have in-depth knowledge about and something that has a lot of demand and search volume in the marketplace, such as project management, web development, or even something like knitting. I then recommend you break down your course into bite-sized lessons that are easy for students to follow. I then recommend that you record videos, create downloadable resources, and set quizzes to enhance the learning experience for your students. I suggest that you promote your course through your network and on social media through Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and utilize email marketing. As your course begins to gain some traction, you'll have a passive income stream that can supplement your main job. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to write and monetize a blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. I recommend that you choose a niche that you're passionate about and something that has a lot of demand in the online market, like travel, personal finance, or even health and fitness, and start writing high quality content. I suggest that you use platforms like WordPress or Medium to get started. I then recommend that you monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products. For instance, if your blog is about cooking, you could sell a recipe book or kitchen gadgets as an affiliate. It's a long-term game, so you will need to be patient. I recommend that you focus on building a loyal audience by consistently delivering highly valuable content. Over time, your blog can become a significant source of income. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to start an e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify, starting an online store has never been easier. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even dropship items without ever handling any inventory. I recommend that you choose a niche that excites you, like eco-friendly products or personalized gifts. I recommend that you begin with a small product range and focus on marketing through social media such as Instagram and TikTok, and also utilize email campaigns. For example, if you're selling handmade jewelry, you can use Instagram to showcase your designs and attract more customers. As your biggest business grows, consider expanding your product line or branching out into other platforms like Etsy or even Amazon. An e-commerce side hustle can eventually scale into a full-time business. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to learn and implement time management techniques. Time is your most valuable asset, especially when juggling a side hustle with a full-time job and other personal commitments. I recommend that you learn and apply time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or task batching to maximize your productivity. For example, you can dedicate specific time slots in your day for your side hustle activities, such as early mornings or late evenings, which might work best. I recommend that you use tools like Trello or Asana to organize tasks and keep track of your progress. By managing your time effectively, you can achieve more in less time, making your side hustle successful without sacrificing your personal life. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to network and collaborate. Networking is crucial, especially when starting an online side hustle. I suggest that you join online communities, attend virtual events, or connect with like-minded individuals on LinkedIn. Building relationships can open doors to collaboration opportunities, mentorship, and potential clients. For example, if you're launching a blog or a YouTube channel, collaborating with other creators in your niche. This could mean guest blogging, doing joint webinars, or cross-promoting each other's content. Collaboration not only expands your reach, but also helps you learn from others who are further along in their journey. Networking also keeps you motivated and accountable. I recommend that you surround yourself with a supportive community and you'll find it easier to stay committed to growing your side hustle. Let me now give you tip number 11, which is to automate repetitive tasks. Automation is your best friend when you're short on time. Identify repetitive tasks in your side hustle and then automate them using tools like Zapier, Buffer or Hootsuite. For instance, if you're managing a blog, I recommend that you use an automation tool to schedule social media posts so you don't have to manually post every day. You can also automate email marketing by setting up drip campaigns with platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign or ConverterKit. This allows you to nurture leads and communicate with your audience without needing to write individual emails. By automating these tasks, you free up time to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of your online side hustle, like content creation or product development. Automation keeps your business running smoothly, even when you're not actively working on it. Okay, so there you have it, 11 powerful tips you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further and make sure you achieve the results that you want is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and they're going to help you create a profitable online business. When you access these online training programs, which are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always an honor and a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.